Joint tenancy is joint ownership of property, usually real estate, with a right of survivorship. So both co-owners have equal use of the property until one of them dies. Then the property ownership goes to the surviving owner. Joint tenancy is similar to community property in that the property is undivided and jointly owned until death, then reverts to the survivor. Pre-1985, joint tenancy was presumed to be separate property. When a spouse held a house or property as separate property, then transferred it to joint tenancy with his or her spouse, this was presumed to be a gift to the couple's community property. This presumption of a gift could be overcome by evidence of a mutual, even a verbal understanding otherwise by the spouses. Tracing back the history of the spouse's ownership and source of funds to purchase the property was not heard by the court. Since 1985, a joint tenancy owned by one spouse is now presumed community property unless it can be proved to be separate property through a written agreement. Tracing the chain of title and the source of purchase funds is now considered by the court. On divorce, a joint tenancy can now be reimbursed to separate property by tracing.